Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you the new releases from Trader Joe's on their mini totes for spring 2025. You've probably seen these all over Instagram already. I went the second day of their release, so they released them on April the 8th and I went on April the 9th, and they were giving, we could pick up one of each color. So I'll show you those colorways first. There's this purple with pink embroidery. The pouch with the embroidery is on both sides of the mini tote. There are no inside inside pockets. There's also this cute mint green with turquoise, again on both sides as well. And then my knitting tote, I'm using the pink one. So it's purple on the front, purple on the back, pink straps. There's another video on this on my knitting and crochet channel, so I'll put that link below if you're into fiber arts. I have decided to keep my little fiber art channel separate at this moment. And then for this channel, my planner tote. Now this is actually in preparation for Little Craftfest that's coming up in Houston, Texas at the end of April. So let me know if we'll see you there at Little Craftfest in Houston, Texas. I want to say last time I looked on the website, they still had some tickets available for Sunday for sure for the Hobonichi meet. Sunday afternoon, they have a Hobonichi meet in 2 different slots. So I'm in the earlier slot, and then there's a later slot that had a few openings still. So in preparation for that, I have put my Hobonichis in here. It's a gusseted bottom, so it is a flat bottom, which makes it very convenient to hold a lot of planners. So the first thing I wanted to show is on that front pocket. It's the exact width of a Hobonichi Weeks. So I thought it would be even cool to have a Hobonichi Weeks next year to keep with my knitting bag, and it could be like my daily progress journal on my knitting and crochet projects. I could actually journal my progress for each day in that. So I'm probably going to get a Hobonichi Weeks to go in the front of my knitting tote as well for next year. But this one is my scripture journal for this year. I write a daily text out every morning, and then any notes I write on the other side. So that's how I've been using that one. Now to show you what fits in here, I packed it with all different sized items that I have from Hobonichi. So for example, right here, the exact width of this bag is the size, it's a little bit bigger than the A6. So this is the washi, MT washi collab from, I don't know, like 2019. So that fits in here great. The A5s that I have in here, these are all A5 with A5 covers. So this is my ink journal, and she fits in here great. So I have 3 ink journals that are A5. I have a notebook that's an 8.6. So really I could fit another A5 in that spot. And I have the Anna pouch. So if you have any of these pouches, this one is full of all of my Hobonichi accessories, from my stencils to the flat scissors, stickers, sticky notes. It even has my ink, what's currently inked journal in here. It holds so many things. So that is in here. And just to give you a size reference with this as well, you'll see it's the same height as the tote. So it fits in here great. I have it on the far side so that the embroidery doesn't get messed up. So really you could fit 5, maybe if you really stuffed them in here, 6. So I feel like from what I have in here, you could easily fit 5 A5 journals. Or you could do like I've done, and you can actually fit your Hobonichi accessories in one of their pouches, whatever pouch you have. I have one of the larger Anna pouches. The smaller one would fit as well, that pen case that they have. And then also you could fit in addition to that, you could fit 2 Hobonichi Weeks. So I hope that helps you figure out how you could potentially use this new one as a planner tote as well for every day. And if you have one as well, please post your comment below. I'd love to see your video on how you're using it. But most of all, let me know if you're going to be at Craft Fest this year. I'd love to meet you. I'm trying to make some stickers as well to exchange at that event. So let me know if I should be looking out for you below. All right, I'll see you on the next one.